A mortgage transaction, whether you're a first-time home buyer or even a seasoned borrower who's gone through multiple refinances, is still a very significant transaction. There's lots of documentation required. You're making a significant outlay. You're signing up for a whole bunch of debt, more debt than probably, unless you own a business, you'll have in any other scenario. So it's full of stress. It's full of anxiety. You're maybe confident in a lot of other areas of your life, but a mortgage may not be an area where you're super confident. When you hear calls, when you talk to loan officers, when you talk to sales leadership, these are the themes you hear, is that borrowers come without a lot of confidence and they are looking for advice from a professional. Sue Woodard did a great presentation recently at the Lending Tree Summit. They did mystery shopping and she had interviews with the mystery shoppers. It was anecdotal, but it was really powerful to see how these folks, you could just tell in the way that they were answering the questions, when they're going through that mortgage process, really right from the beginning, they're looking to be heard, to have a connection, to just feel like somebody's on their side. And I think from a loan officer's perspective, you're looking to sell the loan, you're looking to win the business, you know you've got competitors out there. So it's a challenge. But the more that loan officers can put themselves on the prospect side and fight through that initial friction of being in a competitive environment, the better off it is for everybody. And ultimately, what those prospective borrowers want in order to go through with the loan is they want to feel confident about it. They want to feel like they're making the right decision for them and their family, and they're doing it with somebody who is in a really good position, that's listened to them, that's heard them, and that's ready to take them through that process. One last point there, we've seen in the data recently is that 80% of people that get a new loan, I think maybe 75%, are getting loans through a referral. A family member that's gotten a loan recently, maybe a real estate agent that's given them a loan, a builder or even a homeowner. But most of the time, it's a close connection that's saying, hey, I just did this loan with this person, was good to me and I trusted, and maybe you should. And that's where, and just to be totally candid, that's how I choose my lenders as well, as I look to my family and who have they used, and we use the same folks to originate our loans now as well.